I didn't even know this was a real thing until I saw it trending. A Tesla-themed Rangoli. Yeah, you read that right. Someone took Elon's sleek electric brainchild and turned it into colored rice art for Diwali. And it actually looks incredible. The first time I saw the photo, I thought it was digital, like someone had photoshopped a Model S into a lotus flower or something. But no, someone actually hand-sketched a Tesla into Rangoli powder with stencil precision. The wheels, the headlights, even the T logo. Flawless. Is it over the top? Totally. But that's kind of what makes it so charming. We obsess over tech and we celebrate tradition. Someone just mashed the two together and made it Instagram gold. Over 50K likes in less than 24 hours on one post alone. Here's the thing though, making a Tesla Rangoli isn't nearly as hard as you think. Most people assume they need to be a trained artist. Not true. All it takes are a few pro tricks, patience, and a printout of your favorite Tesla front view. Start with the outline. That's step one. Tape down a printed image and use a toothpick or stencil tool to trace it into the Rangoli base, usually a thin layer of white rice flour. Don't rush this part. This is your foundation. From there, you build with color. Use powdered pigments, things like ultramarine, yellow ochre, and charcoal black. These give you contrast and pop. Begin filling in the large shapes first. Think body of the car, road details. That gives you momentum and structure. The hard part is getting the symmetry right. Cars don't forgive asymmetry like flowers do. If the lights are even half a centimeter off, your Tesla turns into a derpy cartoon. Pro tip, use mirror dots. Place dots on each side, then connect the lines. A lot of people ask, why Tesla of all things? You're blending the aesthetic of futuristic engineering with something that's centuries old. It's the contrast that makes it beautiful. Silicon Valley vibes meet sacred geometry. A weird marriage, yes, but kind of noble. Drone shots help. Yep. Once you complete the whole thing, hover a drone or get up to a rooftop to capture the symmetry. Rangoli looks best from a bird's eye view. That's when the Tesla really pops, more like a freshly waxed hood at a car show. The biggest mistake beginners make? Dusting too quickly. The pigment has to be sifted gently, almost as if you're frosting a cake. People get impatient and dump too much, then the whole thing muddies and you lose the crisp lines. Patience equals color precision. Now let's talk lighting. Don't let your LED bulbs wash out your work. Use warm, ambient lighting if you're indoors, and hit it with a ring light if you're shooting. Pro lighting can literally make a $30 creation look like a Pagani showroom floor. People have started mixing AI tools to mock up Rangoli ideas. Yep, text a prompt into Midjourney like Tesla car made of flower petals and boom, you've got a template. Not traditional, sure, but nor was Tesla when people first heard electric car in 2004. And maybe that's the point. Sometimes you're not just making art, you're making a statement. About time, tech, and how we honor both the past and what's still coming down the road at 250 miles per charge. I'm Scott from Portland, and yeah, this stuff matters.